Alright guys, we're back. We've been messing around, and I ordered a new set of valve covers for the little 327. Said that's those there, those fab ones. I like them. I mean, it's I could have got them in a polished, but I really didn't want the intake weren't polished, and so I'm all the same. I like them anyway. But I can tell you what, they are a little aggravating to get on with those Allen heads. I'm used to using studs on the valve covers. You know, I've always used, you know, these studs and nuts and stuff, and it just works so much better. But anyway, that's what we've been up to. Finally got those in, we put them on, and those are the old ones there we took off. I guess they'll go on the wall now. That's normally what happens to them. But all that, I got the, I get to see it. Got the electric fan framed up and mounted in there. It's a 2-speed fan. So what I think I'm gonna do is put it on a double switch so I can actually, you know, you're cruising down the highway, if whatever, you could turn it on low if you didn't need it. You got up in some traffic or something for some reason. Temperature started coming up, you could turn it up on high and, you know, maybe keep it cool. We'll see, but that's the plan anyhow. But got that, and I've been trying to clean up the shop. TLC Bear's cleaning his up, so now I got to try to get stuff halfway organized a little better so it don't look like a bomb went off. But I had this this deal here, you know, with that lid on its fuel cell, and it when this truck sat outside for a couple of weeks and we had all that rain, fuel cell got full of water. So I ordered this new one thinking that would be the ultimate deal there. You know, screw on cap, it's sealed up, got a vent over there, so it's no biggie. Problem is, those studs are just stuck in there. They're not really threaded, so now how in the world do I get the daggone nuts tightened up, you know? Well, that wasn't where I was supposed to go. But anyway, I mean, you turn them, you know, and I don't know if y'all can see it, but the whole stud's turning. So, it's going to be just about impossible to try to get a wrench bent and round through that hole, you know. I got a buddy that's does some beautiful TIG work. I may just take this cell off and take it to him, flush it all out and get it cleaned out and air it out good, and let him TIG it and fill all the holes in. That may be the better way of doing it, I'm not sure. Then I don't have to worry about a gasket leaking or a bolt. Something messes up with that, I think I'll just throw the cell away and get another one. But anyway, if you guys got any thoughts, let me know. That's just kind of what I was thinking. I don't know if that's what I'm going to do yet, but we'll see what happens anyway. It's supposed to be aluminum. Well, I mean, I know the cap's aluminum and the nipple is, so I guess it's got to be if it was TIG to that steel. Well, I can't put the cap back on. But anyway, that's what we've been doing, guys. It's trying to clean up. Got all that area there cleaned up and finished sheeting it up around where the sheeting never did get put in over there. So sealed the walls up, got that done. And I guess now that daggone cabinet that's holding the stereo and the refrigerator is going out of here. And I'll move the stereo and refrigerator, knock some shelves and put it over there maybe, and give me more room, get this stuff out of here. But over here under the lean-to, deer dogs. But I built, there's 8, 16, 24, about 24 foot of shelving. You know, 18-inch deep shelves. So hopefully I'll be able to move all the engine parts and stuff like that. That's, you know, stuff I don't really need in the shop all the time. Get that stuff out here. And hopefully I'll get to put a garage door up there here shortly and close off the back side of this shop in front of them dog pens, and you make the shop a little 16 foot bigger. But anyway, that's what we've been up to the last few days, trying to clean up and organize a little bit. It's been, you know, shooting the 60s and 70s here the last couple of days. So anyway, that's what we're doing. I got 3 or 4 engine blocks I got to put over there. A pair of heads, a couple more pair to go up there. You know, oil and antifreeze and tranny fluid, all that stuff. Pistons hanging up over there. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. But that's about all the nails, screws, chemicals up top, gas jugs. You know, there's all kinds of stuff. Pistons hanging up. You know, that's 2 more sets that I need to hang up there to get them out of the way. But anyway, guys, that's what I've been doing. It's trying to clean up. You know, you got a small shop, you got to try to keep it organized, and I ain't been doing it. So we're gonna get on that. But anyway, I just figured I'd let y'all see what's up anyhow. Alright guys, I'll see y'all later. Alright guys, we're back. It's Saturday. We've been out here piddling in the shop all day. And I don't know, I had my big toolbox was down over in here, and had I guess it was an old entertainment center, a bookcase, something that filled in that lull, that void there, and was a junk hole. That's all it was good for. The size shelves weren't big enough to put nothing in. So out the yard it went, and roll around table that was right in here, it's out. Cut it up too. But the refrigerator, little refrigerator there, and the stereo were sitting on top of that entertainment center. So I come here to the shelves and cut one of the shelves back, and put the refrigerator in there, and then the stereo actually worked in right beside it. Works out okay. You know, and all my electronics for hunting radios and all that good stuff, all up there, and funnels and caulk, all kinds of mess. But you know, down on the bottom shelf there, there's all kinds of power tools. But maybe I can keep it all organized anyway. I better see what I got anyway, instead of just throwing it in a cubby and not be able to see it. But I had never finished putting the plywood on the back of these walls. It was just open insulation, and a few of the mice had found it, so I reckon I had got rid of all them. So I figured the best thing to do is seal it all up. So that's what my son-in-law's done that most of the day. Got all that and seemed to make a lot more room. And then on that shelf there where the stereo was all these aerosol cans and brake clean, carburetor cleaner, all kinds of mess. And you could never see it because it's so dark over there. Behind the door, you didn't think about it, so now at least it's visible where I can see it. And we got that air compressor there is about 33, 35 years old, somewhere along in there, and it finally bit the dust. The motor's bad, and I ain't putting a motor on it. The heck with it. But anyway, that's what we've been doing, cleaning up and got my old fire truck and old wooden 18-wheeler I made 25, 30 years ago up there. More deer horns. But that's kind of what we're doing. We've got, we've made more room. I'm gonna get the engine lift and the run stand over under the lean-to shelter. I'm gonna cut a 8 or a 10-foot hole in that wall there and tie them together. Anyway, if we can make that happen, give me a lot more room in here anyway. But anyway, guys, I got all that kind of semi-straightened up, but then the bench looks like a bomb went off. So maybe tomorrow I'll get out here and I'll get all energized and get this bench cleaned up, because I can't hardly stand it. I want somewhere to lay my stuff, and I've done laid too much stuff up there. But anyway, let's see if we can't get that stuff put up and cleaned up. But that's about all I got today, guys. It ain't done nothing but piddle. But anyway, I'll see you guys later. See ya.